Hello guys, welcome back to Appendices Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial named called Telegram C2 Framework. So, C2 Telegram Framework is like LLM driven like a C2 as POC via a Telegram. So, any people they're going to be sending like anything like a messages, otherwise GIF, either like images, either like a video or something else. Uh, in that case, what we would like to try to do here. So this repository, like let me, I would like to try to show you here. So this is like a C2A Telegram. So this repository implements a proof of concept based on the threat intelligence report published like Palo Alto networks, like in June 17, 2026, which documented use of Telegram boards is combined. Like in the Telegram boards, you get like a board ID and your user info identity. So you just need to be gather that one, including with the GOC AI. Otherwise, any type of AI. So any type of LLM AIs that is combined to control a C2 framework infrastructure without requiring like a technical skills from the attacker. So what they're going to be combined with these three things like Telegram bot API. It's like encrypted like autonomous C2 channel with Telegram bot. So if any people try to visit to your targeted website with the Telegram API or something else, that going to be get you the Telegram API as the results over there. And LLM is with the GOC, like a natural language shells like command like translations and GOC with API. And Python implement execution on the compromise host like with an Python script also. So why this is most relevant? So it's going to be eliminates the technical barrier and operates like a write in natural language, example like list the desktop files and etc things. So if any people they're going to be connect with your through these things, everything, this LLM also instruct into like concentrate like a OS commands and also a legitimate like a Telegram infrastructures using as C2 channels, making like a blocking the harder. The implement like cross platforms like Linux and Windows and Mac OS and etc things will identify and rectify all those things here. Now we would like to try to look it out here. And now without wasting much time, let's we just try to copy, come back, open the terminal. Now we just need to be do here as something here. First type here as git to git unclaw. Now just go to here as C2 as framework. Now you just need to be install like a Python 3 minus m as BNB. So I already installed this one. I no need to go here. Then we just need to be type here as source BNB and bin and activate. Once we have activated this one, now we just type here as clear. Now we just type here as pip3 install minus requirements.txt. So once the requirements is installed, now we would like to try to look here as we have here as LLM telegram.python. Now just try to read this. What is there inside LLM telegram.python? So the output is coming like this. So there is like shell commands, etc., operating systems, everything. So I have replaced like a Telegram bot identities and Telegram operators as well as GOC API. Okay, let me just type here as clear. Now, in this case, we would like to try to show you here as LLM Telegram like a POC.python. Now we would like to try to look it out here. So we just need to be replace your Telegram bot ID and Telegram operator ID, like your Telegram user info identity and GOC API. You just need to be go to console.gawk api.gawk.com open API. So you just need to get over there and try to get it out here. That's it. After get this one, now let's try to move it on here. Now just type it as a Python 3 llm.python.telegram.python as POC. Now this starting like a POC. Now it's going to be look it out or this is like my operating system with Linux, and I also got like in the if you got like any type of C2 loops, let me I would like to try to show you here. Let me just try to come back here. Let me not here. Let's we would like to try to look it out here. Where is this? Now we would like to try to look it out here. New implement is activated, host with a fingerprint, public IP address, host name, a username, Linux, and missions with the x86 Ready for the commands. Okay, you're going to be give try to command. Type uh, who am I? I try to request there. Pentester club. So you're going to be operate everything here, etc. things. List minus L. You're going to be getting out all the clearance here in the list minus L. You can look like here as etc. things like oh LLM. So list minus AL hope as Pentester club. So you have gained entire of the access of this one. You can look like here. Everything you have got entirely you're going to be reading here without anything else here. That's it. Now if you want to do like many other things, like you can look like here as I have installed like cargo vulnerability reports and etc things, template injections etc things, C2 framework. That's it. Everything is clear cut here. You're going to be see here. Now you can also look like here as sudo su. It's may going to be taking out as like a routing access. Otherwise, it's may going to be asking here. It's asking here in the main thing. We have got it here. Now let's look like here as it's not yet here, but in the main thing only we are getting out here. Executed like a sudo su and LLM is quit here. That's it. So if LLM is quit, we have got it here very clearly. Now we would like to try here as let's minus here. Cat LLM telegram.poc.log. You can look like here as what else the log here. We're going to be getting out here. This is the log. Whichever he tried, etc. things we have got here. Listing like directories, everything. That's it. That's it. This is how Telegram C2 framework is going to be working out. That's it. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling. Have a great day.